I'm waiting to use the word deadly. Let me see if I can spot it somewhere. See it from the same angle. Oh! I found it!
Oh my god, look how bad that is. Oh my god, bro.
No, that you guys is a deadly buckle.
Gobi, I'm Ricky.
And welcome
to Deadly TV.
What's happening, guys? You join us today at City Autos. I'm collecting some fresh rubber for the VW Golf R, and we need some fresh rubber. Guys, check these bad boys out. So we've just had Yamin, one of the main guys at City Autos, hook us up on a deadly deal. So love, brother. And I was gonna just say, guys, this is our local tire shop. We've been coming here for over like 10-15 years, and if you need a deadly deal, make sure you hit them up. They don't just do tires, they actually do all mechanical works, so suspensions, clutches, engine changes, you name it, they could do it, and we'll show you inside the place as well. So come with me, guys. So they've got the, I'm guessing that's the tire balancer, right?
Yeah, balancer, tire remover, bunch of tires, ramps. Yeah, they got you.
They've got a lot of stock, guys, and they've been in the business for over like 15 years. These guys are not afraid of taking big boy jobs on. So yeah, guys, man. You know, thank you to the guys that hooked us up. We just needed some fresh rubber. So yeah, let's now head over to AlloyfixUK and slap them on.
Ready? So, what we got is we got Mr. Deadly in the house. Yeah? Too deadly! Alright, we got him in the house. What I've done is, I'm doing 3 of the wheels for him. I've left him one, so he's learning how to powder coat it. He wants to have a try. So if one wheel looks shit, it's not me. Somebody else did it. Alright?
Mark you on the inside.
Yeah, bro. I think you want to see it a mile away. No, I'm joking. He'll be alright. He'll be alright.
It's time to lacquer this wheel now, so it's going to be looking nice and shiny.
So what we're applying on it right now is a lacquer, a clear coat, and this will lock in all the goodness and protect your wheel.
Because normally we're used to seeing people like paint the wheels and stuff, innit, with like the paint gun. But the powder coat way, it just looks so cool. Like, what's the difference between painting and the powder coating, so people would understand?
Powder coat is more durable than paint, because the paint that they use on the wheels will be the same paint they get on the cars, and the same spray lacquer. This is way more durable, lasts longer, the shine is better, way better.
And it doesn't just flake off.
It doesn't flake off because it's properly cured. It's not just put on and don't wash your car for a week, none of that.
Yeah.
Once it comes out of the oven, it's cooled down, tires on, fully cured, wash your car. Fine. And what I did do once was I did make a YouTube video, should be under AlloyfixUK. So if you guys want to know the difference between spray painting and powder coating, I've done the whole thing. I dragged the wheel outside with a rope, it was mad.
So like, this looks so therapeutic, just seeing it happen right in front of you. But normally as a customer, you literally give your wheels in, curbed up, looking mullered, and then you get it back looking fresh and brand new. And yeah, it just looks so nice, man, the way it just does it.
And the reason why we have individual ovens,
yeah,
because then you can keep an eye on all the temperatures, on all the wheels, so every wheel has gone through the same process, same timing, same powder, etc. So you get a uniform look rather than one wheel different to the other.
Yeah,
it's mad. So yeah, let me put some science in your guys' head. Now imagine we've got a massive oven, yeah? All right, so in this oven you got 3 racks. Heat rises, and we all know that. So the top rack would get most of the heat, but the bottom rack is kind of cold. So once you keep all of that into mind, the wheels on the top are extra cured, yeah? So they're baked off a lot. The ones in the middle, in my opinion, will be perfectly baked. Ones at the bottom are undercured. So in my opinion, undercuring and overcuring is the same thing. It needs to be perfect. You've got to do what's written on the box. So we've got a big oven that we use to degas. Degas, you put the wheel in there, it gets all the moisture, grime, everything out, so the wheel is ready. when we powder coat it, you don't get no little bubbles on it, the fish eyes and stuff like that, because that's irritating. We don't want that. Now, Mr. Deadly,
Yes.
you got a lot of editing to do, bro, because I chat a lot of. Alright, anyway.
Yeah.
Alright.
How long do you normally let them cook for after you've lacquered them now?
So once they're lacquered, I will put them in there for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Sometimes even 30 minutes, depending on the size of it all depends on the size of the wheel, how much powder was used, etc. So once the wheel comes out, just keep in mind it's roughly around about 200 degrees. Yeah. So a little touch will burn you, and I've got plenty of scars on my arm.
Yeah,
where you're like, ow! What happened? Do you understand me? But it's for a millisecond, but you feel that for a couple of weeks. All right, Mr. Deadly, I'm glad you're wearing long sleeves.
Long sleeves.
All right.
You know.
Hold on, let me just christen you. Look,
We're
looks like
ready.
it's been working.
We're ready, the guys.
It looks
We
like
are
it's been
ready.
working. Come on, let's go.
That's it.
All right. So that's the wheel. So because you didn't see the first part, I'll show you that. Yeah. All right, you ready, Mr. Deadly? Yeah. So what we're doing first is, listen, you just press a button and powder comes out. But you can't hold it in one place
For too
because
long.
powder will turn into liquid as well, and it will start running.
So you
just
say
like
move
paint.
it like this.
Yeah, you got to keep it moving. Behind the cameras, you can't see this, but if I go like this, it means stop.
So shall I just start from the top first?
Start from the top, my guys, and keep it moving. Yeah, a bit too far. Just get a bit closer. That's it. That's it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then
Let me grab this camera. Is it recording, yeah? Look at that, Mr.
come on,
Deadly.
we're ready.
Whoa, he's powdering. But do I think he's doing a good job?
You have to be in that deadly position.
Come on, Mr. Deadly's not even wearing a face mask. He's going straight in. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. There we go. Now, let's check it out.
That's
So
it.
what I mean with the distances, we want to stay about this. Yeah. So we get it inside all the
This is what
spokes.
we're talking about.
Get it all inside that spoke, so the whole wheel is covered and protected. When I say covered, I mean protected.
So would you say like my coverage was alright, yeah? For a quick first time.
Let's inspect, man. No, I think he's done alright, man.
Don't lie. We don't lie on this channel, bro.
No, I'm joking. He's alright, man. Look, he's done a good enough job, man. Everything's covered.
Do you know what? It's actually very easy to use the gun, and
Yeah.
as long as you're in a good motion,
Yeah. You gotta keep that hand moving.
the rhythm in it, how they say.
Alright. Now we get it back in the oven. And now we bake it.
Yeah.
Something like this, 19-inch wheel, I'll put it in there for about
Is
20
it
minutes.
19? It's 18s, I think.
Looks like 19s.
Because I think what's on there now is 19s. It's 18s, I think. Yeah.
We are confused now.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it is 19 because I've been finding wares on Facebook and stuff.
No, but the original ones are 18s.
Okay.
Yeah, the original ones are 18s.
We'll come back to that.
Yo.
Yeah.
Let's put lunch on it. 18 or 19.
So if it's 18s,
So if it's 18,
Then there's
he
no-
owes you lunch. If it's 19, you owe both of us lunch.
yeah, I'm wearing more deep because the tires are 18-inch.
Are they?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll come back to this bet in a minute. Let me double confirm. The paint's been already mixed, filtered. Now we're just adding to our gun.
Let's have a look at the paint by. I'll be just show that once I put my light on. Yeah. Yep. Fresh.
Fresh. But I've added, as I said, I've added a little bit of sparkle in it just to enhance that look on it.
So guys, breaking news. Lunch is on Ricky.
Whoa, it's a long-winded process, but I enjoy this process because I can see the wheel from when it came in and all the work that we've done to it and the way it goes out. That's what brings the joy, because you see a transformation happening all the way through, and that's what we love doing. That's why I call Mr. Deadly down, to actually take part in it and see all the work that goes through it, so he can appreciate it.
This is looking mint.
And that's smoking, so don't touch it. 3rd degree burn.
Third.
Yeah.
I'm still a 3rd degree citizen.
So now we just gotta let it cool, and once it's cooled off, we'll get the tires on and balanced up. But now, see, you can't see the sparkle at the moment, but just when I get some light on it, you see that sparkle coming through?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. I want to give you a little taste, nothing too much. Go on, Mr. Deadly.
We're ready, yeah?
Yeah,
We're ready.
we know what you're doing.
Bismillah.
Yeah.
There's nothing in there, or is it paint? Hold on.
The funny thing today that happened,
Oh my
yeah?
god, this is a blower. Hold on, this got the paint gun. There's nothing in there.
I'll stop this guy for a minute.
What are you talking about? Hey!
Hold on. Okay, now it's coming out.
Tell him to stop. Right, have you got a minute, man? Let's take a break. Let's have a tea break. Yeah? Let's have a tea. You know, this guy don't get the message. Stop! Alright. Alright, you had fun, right?
Yeah.
Keep it to that, man. When, on the first glance, I think you've done a banging job. I'm not even lying. I'm trying to find another word in my head, but I couldn't. But it's banging. Yeah? Take two. Yeah? Alright, here we go. Mr. Deadly, that's the wheel that you've done.
Jeez.
What do you think, my bro?
Looking fresh.
I think you done alright.
Error 1. Error 2.
Ah, they're hot! Ah! Yeah, they're piping hot, but they're done.
Done and ready. That's it, guys. The wheels are just all lined up now. Just
Maz, you want to make some chai?
drying down. We've got the new tires coming as well.
So guys, we got the new tires here. I had to get my nephew to go back to City Autos and get the correct size. We've given him back the 18s that were the completely wrong size, but the Golf R's do normally come in the 18-inch and the 19s, but he was lucky we had the Deadly upgraded 19-inch rims. And now we've got some new fresh Deadly rubber.
The front.
No, because what's going to happen, it's going to start vibrating.
Yeah.
Once you go 60, 70,
Yeah.
this is not rebalanced, it's going to start back.
Deadly Rambo and Ledger. Putting the fresh tires on.
So guys, you've seen the full Deadly transformation from the wheels coming in like a proper scruffy dog to them looking brand spanking new. Thank you very much, bro.
You're welcome, my bro.
Yeah.
See, it wasn't an easy job. We got it done. Wheels are looking smashing. We are absolutely filthy. Mr. Deadly himself was doing some work. Yeah. Absolutely all
you
scruffed
see,
up. Look
all
at him, bro.
scruffy, mate.
He actually did some work today. Yeah. He was just laying on the floor hiding from me. That's what was happening. But we made him do some work, and I don't even know which is the wheel that you've done, but I think they all come out absolutely spot on. Deadly, you've done a good job.
Thank you, bro.
Well done. But don't leave the day job for AlloyFix. Yeah, just keep at it, and we don't mind you doing a couple of wheels here and there.
Yeah, no, wicked. I hope you guys all enjoyed seeing the whole process. And I guess until next time, guys, we're going to be back with another set of rims.
Yeah. So see you guys later.
A massive thanks to AlloyFix for giving these wheels a fresh lease of life, and you have to wait until the next episode to see how they actually look on the car.
Guys, so the Golf R project is now coming to an end and the car is looking deadly. So until next time, stay tuned and stay ready.